Hi guys, Jeremy here, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to build your team in GoHighLevel. We'll walk through how to add team members, assign roles and permissions, and manage your growing workspace effectively. But before we jump in, I want to mention a special offer just for you. Normally, if you go through the GoHighLevel website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link in the description, you will receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, just as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features, and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GHL in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you will receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, these are worth over $900, but you are going to get all of them for free, just simply as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click on the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. All right, let's dive in and build your GHL team. First, let's talk about building a team within your GHL account. Adding team members is important as you grow your agency, and GoHighLevel makes it really easy to bring people on board and assign different roles. Now that we have set up the branding and white labeling features, let's talk about building a team within your GoHighLevel account. Adding team members is important as you grow your agency, and GHL makes it really easy to bring people on board and assign them different roles. To add a new team member, go to your GoHighLevel agency dashboard and navigate to the Settings tab. Scroll down until you find the Team section and click on it. Now, once there, you'll see a list of your existing team members. If you don't have anyone yet, it's time to add your first member by clicking on the Add Employee button at the top right. A form will pop up asking for basic information about your new team member, such as their first and last name, email, phone number, and extension. Now, you can also set a password for them by clicking on the Advanced Settings option. Now, this is particularly useful if you want to make sure that their login credentials are secure. Once you've filled in the required details, click Save to proceed to the next step, which is assigning roles and permissions. It's as simple as that. The new team member will receive an email invitation to join, and they can start using GoHighLevel right away. Assigning the right roles and permissions is essential for ensuring that your team members have access to what they need while keeping sensitive information secure. In GHL, you can specify user roles such as admin or user. An admin will have full access to everything, while a user might be restricted to only certain sections of the platform. Now, you can assign whether the team member has access to the agency account or only specific sub-accounts. Now, this is helpful if you have a team member who only needs to work with a specific client and doesn't require access to everything in your agency. To further control access, there is also an option to toggle restrict access to selected sub-accounts. Now, this feature lets you decide exactly which sub-accounts a particular team member can see and manage. Now, once you've set the roles and permissions, click Save to finalize the step. Now, this system of roles and permissions ensures that your team can work efficiently while maintaining security over important data. It helps you avoid any confusion about who has access to what, which is particularly important as your agency grows and you add more clients. As your team changes, you may need to update or remove some team members. To edit a team member's details, simply navigate back to the Team tab in your settings where you'll see all of your current team members listed. Next to each member's name, you'll find a pencil icon for editing. Clicking this will allow you to update their information or adjust their roles and permissions. Now, if you need to delete a team member, click the trash icon next to their name. Deleting a member will remove their access from GoHighLevel's accounts entirely. Now, this is a simple but crucial way to ensure that former employees or contractors no longer have access to sensitive information once they leave your team. Now, while setting up team members and assigning roles is straightforward, effective collaboration within the platform is key to maximizing productivity. Now, one of the best practices for team collaboration is to clearly define roles so that everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for. Now, you should also leverage conversations to keep all client communications in one place. This way, every team member stays informed and nothing slips through the cracks. Another best practice is to use tasks and notes within client accounts to assign actions to specific team members. Now, this helps create accountability and make sure that everyone is aware of what needs to be done by whom. Establishing these clear guidelines will ensure smooth teamwork and help your agency provide consistent, high-quality service to your clients. And that's it for today's video on building your GoHighLevel team. We've covered adding team members, assigning roles and permissions, and ensuring your team operates efficiently as your agency grows. Remember, properly setting up your team is key to maintaining smooth operations and providing excellent service to your clients. Now, if you enjoyed this video or if you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more GoHighLevel tutorials. And don't forget, you can grab a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel along with all of the exclusive bonuses by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.